Hey, hello everybody. Now we're going to look at our merged models here in Navisworks. We should have all of our models appended together. And now in this video, we're going to look at selecting uh, select and search. So let's go to view. I'm sorry. We're going to the home tab and we have where we have here, we have select. We have two different items. So we have select and a selection box. Now, the select allows us to select one item. So I can select on item one at a time. Now, the next item is selection box. So we can go, okay, so we see all of these elements in the box are selected. Now let's go back to our select. It turns blue, okay? So again, we go back to select and change it to selection box. And click and hold your mouse button down, and all the selected items are blue. Okay. Now, once you select an item, you can just escape out of it. That works with the box as well as the, so just escape right out of that. So you can select it, one item with the select and deselect, and let's hit escape. So now let's go look up, let's move up to where we have, we want to look at select all, select none, invert selection. So when we select all, it'll select everything in the project. If you choose select none, it'll deselect everything. Then if you select invert selection, this will invert the selection set. So if nothing's selected, everything will get selected. So let's hit escape on the keyboard. Let's go to select. Let's click on select box. Let's run around these objects here. So everything is highlighted that's inside of the box. So now we go to invert selection. So what happens then, everything inside is not selected and everything that we selected is selected. So now let's escape. Now I want to show you the save selection command. We have to just run around some objects. Okay. So now we can save selection here. And it'll ask us to give it a name. It's called selection set. Now we can give it a name. Let's just call it rename our selection set. Okay, now to bind that or to bring that back, you can just go here to where it says, bear with me a second. So really to bring that back, you just go into sets and just click on our selection set, and now those objects are back selected or shown again. So hit escape to get out of the selection set. Now we want to look at the selection tree. Select the selection tree, and we select an object, it'll highlight each multiple model. So we select each one, we'll select all. So then we can expand this out by clicking on a little plus, and you can select our doors, our rooms, our walls. So this is how you use our selection set. Central columns, foundation. So this is our selection tree. It's very important within Navisworks how to navigate through your model. There are light fixtures. So go work with this and practice on using your selection tree and your selection sets. So the tree is very important. Now let's click on select same, and it'll ask you, we can select objects or things with similar names or same parameters or things in the timeline. So you can pick any of these. So let me just select type. So let's select everything that's the same type of object in what I initially selected. Hit escape again on the keyboard. Now we got another selection here. This is the so let's type in walls and click the search icon, and then what it does, it'll pick up all of our walls based on the selection tree. So you can also go in here and we can type in columns. So you know what you named your objects in your model. You can use this to filter out. You can type in the correct name. So let's say doors. You can search. Okay. Let's search now. So there are all our doors. There's one door there selected. Interesting. But anyway, those are some quick tips on Navisworks using the select tool. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like it or add comments or questions that you'd like for me to look at, and we can go. Thanks for watching, and bye.